Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Reverse Week. Now, you might have noticed I'm doing the same video as Ciara. We both wanted to do the backwards word challenge for Reverse Week. So we thought that we would both do it, but with the same words. So we have 10 words that we're both gonna try. And we're gonna, basically, if you don't know what it is, you have to say the word backwards and then replay it reversed to see what it would have sounded like forwards, and you have to try and make it sound like the original word, if that makes sense. So obviously I need to look to see what word is next, but I'm not going to look at the word whilst I'm saying it. So the first word is flower. So I have my little backwards word thing here. Flower. I need to think about this 1 second. Rewolf. I don't think that was very good at all. Okay, here it is. Rewolf. Oh, I just played it, thingy. I wanna listen. No, I wanna listen to it. Ah, here it is backwards. Okay. Flower. That was good. It's a flower. Flower. It's a bit weird at the end though. Flower. I'll take that. I'll take that. That's okay. The next word is umbrella. No, that one's going to be bad. I know it is. I feel like when you're doing it backwards, you have to do the sounds backwards rather than the letters. That's my little trick. That was really bad. That was really bad. Nah, don't pass that one. Science. I don't know why I picked this one because it's really difficult. Okay. So nice. So nice. Would that be right? I'll try it. So nice. Cianus. Oh, no, that was really bad. That was like Cianus. Cianus. Okay, don't get a point for that one either. Basket is the next one. Basket. Tick-sab. Tick-sab, that's cute. Basket. That was okay. Basket. I sound a bit weird, but I mean you can tell it says basket, I suppose. The next one is laptop. This is the last one that I picked. I picked this one because I thought it would just be really cute to say backwards. Laptop. So it would be pot pal. That's so cute. Okay. Pot pal. It probably doesn't even sound great. Laptop. It's like laptop. I sound a bit Scottish. Laptop. Why do the P's sound so weird? Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the 5 words that Ciara chose. So the first one is bubble. Bubble. Lebub. Lebub? Lebub. Bubble. That's a bubble, sort of. Bubble. Bubble. Yeah. I still sound like I have like a kind of a weird accent though. I suppose it's like what we put in, like the sounds that you put emphasis on maybe, I don't know. The next one is plug. Gulp! It's the word gulp backwards. Oh, can I just say gulp? Well, that sounds like plug. I'm gonna try it. Gulp. I probably shouldn't be saying it so like weirdly. Look. Yeah, that's probably why you don't say it weirdly. Plug. The next one is spray. Spray. Yaps? No, it'd be yapes. Spray. Yerps. I'm gonna say yerps. Yerps. Spray. It sounded like spray. Spray. I'll take that. I'll take that. Next one is tree. This one's called tree. Tree. Ear. Tree. It's like tree. Not really great. I don't know what I did then. I was like, ugh. Yeah. I feel like you're gonna have to be the judge of this. You have to like let us know who you think won in the comments. Because I don't think I don't think we can like come up with it. Right, the next one is hair. The final one is hair. Hair. How do you say hair backwards? Hair. Hair. Ugh. It's basically the same thing. Hair backwards is probably just the same. Hair. I'm just going to say hair forwards and see if it sounds the same backwards. Hair. I said it a bit weird. Hair. It's the same. It's the same. Hair. Hair. Okay. That is my backwards word challenge, guys. I haven't seen Ciara's video yet because I'm filming this on Sunday, but yeah, we'll have to see who won. Probably Ciara, to be honest. Some of them I sounded like really strange. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little challengey reverse video, and yeah, don't forget to thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next week. Bye.